Yeah. I've been carrying this weight for too long, trying to heal from things I never spoke about. Tonight I'm letting it go. Woke up with the same pain sitting on my chest. Every scar got a story, every wound a test. People see me smiling, think I'm doing okay, but they don't hear the battles that I'm fighting every day. Had dreams in my hands, watched them fall apart. Tried to glue the pieces back, but they cut my heart. Too many late nights, too many tears alone, trying to find a place in the world that feels cold. I gave my trust away, watched it disappear. Now I'm learning how to stand and face my fears. All the words that brought me still echo in my head, but I'm stronger than the voice that wants me left for dead. I've been walking through the rain, trying to wash away the pain. Every step, every scar made me into who I am. I don't wanna hurt no more, don't wanna live behind closed doors. I'm done running from the past, don't wondering if I last. I'm picking up the pieces of my soul, taking back the things they stole. The darkness doesn't own me anymore. I don't wanna hurt no more. Used to blame myself for everything that went wrong. Spent years feeling weak, trying to act strong. Built walls so high nobody could get in. Didn't know the real battle was the one within. Now I'm learning how to breathe when the pressure gets heavy, keeping my head high, keeping my soul steady. The road ain't easy, got a long way to go, but every wound is proof that I survived the blows. They said I never make it, never find my place. Now I'm turning all my pain into fuel for the race. I can't change yesterday, can't erase the scars, but I can choose who I become from where we are. Oh, no more chains on my heart, no more hiding in the dark. Every tear that I've cried helped me find the strength inside. Wanna hurt no more. Yeah. Scars remain, but they don't control me. This is my healing, this is my freedom. I don't wanna